channel. In today's video, we are discussing about table visualization in Looker Studio. So currently we are in Looker Studio right now. So if I click on the blank report, it will redirect and it will show the what are the data sources are available. Okay. Yeah. So here I am using the Adidas data sales. Okay. So I'm going to create the table chart. Okay, so this is a table chart I'm going to create here. Okay, yeah, so by default it will show you the retailer and record count. Okay, so the count is here. So if I want to add some other metrics, the total sales I can add here. Yeah, I can arrange. Yeah, so here, and if you want to add some kind of other dimension, so you can go ahead and you can add here like a region, product. Yeah, so region wise and retailer wise sales and record count, it is going to be drilled down. And if you want to enlarge here, so okay, so here is the steps. You can go here, you can see the optional matrix. If you want to add some kind of optional matrix here, like if you add, so so here we can add, okay, and we have filters as well here, the sorting options as well. This is based on the record count. It is going to be sort. If you want to sort by the total sales, yeah, we can sort it by the total sales. And coming to the styles, we can see here the title. Yeah, we can update here title. We can add the title here. So the format how you want, we can write, we can give the option like center, bold, and the size also, font size also we can change. Yeah, the text if you want to wrap it, you can give here like yeah, yeah, fine. So this is about the table visualization in Looker Studio. Thank you.